Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a price-based token lock on Streamflow. Price-based token lock allows you to lock tokens based on how the token performs on the market. After you have logged into the Streamflow application, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Locks. Once the page loads, click Create New in the top right corner. Now you'll have to choose the type of the token lock you want to create. Choose Price-based and click Continue. In the configuration step, you'll have to set the details for your token lock. First, from the drop-down, choose the token that you want to lock. Then, you'll have to set the unlock price. This is the price that determines when your tokens will be unlocked. Once your token reaches this price, the token lock will release the tokens to the recipient address. You can also lock the tokens based on the FDV, which stand for fully diluted value. Fully diluted value is directly proportional with the token price. You can see that if we change the FDV, token price underneath also changes. Next, you can choose if you want to set the floor price. Floor price ensures that tokens unlock at a lower price than the current token price, allowing user to minimize the loss if the token price starts dropping. You can also choose if you want to set an expiration date. Setting the expiration date and time ensures your tokens will be unlocked at a set date and time if none of the above set prices are reached. After that, you can choose the preferences for your token lock. Enabling transferable will allow the lock recipient to list the token for sale at any point after it is created. List for sale option allows you to set the listing details while you are creating the contract, which will place it for sale immediately after the contract is created. After you've configured the lock and its preferences, you can click Continue in the bottom right. Next, you have to add the recipients for the token lock. You can use upload CSV if you're planning on having multiple recipients, or you can also add single or multiple recipients manually. While adding the recipient, you'll have to first configure the amount you're locking, and then the wallet address which will receive the tokens once unlocked. You can choose the recipient from your address book, paste the address manually, or enable Use the Connected Wallet switch, which will set your connected wallet as a recipient. After setting the recipients, you can click Continue in the bottom right corner, which will forward you to the review step. At the review step, you can see all the configuration details you've set in the previous steps. Please keep in mind that the token locks are irreversible, meaning that the tokens cannot be moved, accessed, or unlocked before the unlock date and time, no matter the circumstances. At the bottom, you can find the fee breakdown. There's a 0.5% token fee, 0.16 SOL fee for creation, 0.13 SOL fee for the price oracle, and a standard network fee paid by the user when creating the token lock. After reviewing all the details and checking the fee breakdown, you can click on Create Lock in the bottom right corner, which will open your wallet for you to confirm the transaction. After confirming, you'll see the pop-up that says that the contract has been created successfully. From there, you can share the token lock on X, create a new one, or view the details for the one just created. On the Details page, you can see the entire configuration you've set during the creation steps. And that's it on how you can create a price-based token lock on Streamflow. Lock your tokens now using the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.